Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Ever seen live trading on a widescreen? Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and decentralized. No censorship or hard cap supply. It's open source and we classify the blockchain secure, and that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounced a lot like this new jam. If Bitcoin dipped, then we ain't gon' trip. I'ma be bullish on you, fam.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. 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 I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Wednesday. We are officially midweek, and you know what that means? That means we have a Discord after show for the members that support this channel. Thank you to my members. You'll get cool emojis if you become a member, and also you get to join the Discord after shows, hang out with us, do the thing. We're getting after it today, guys. We have so much news. We got the new Fed Reserve Chair. It is going to be his first FOMC meeting today. We just got a lot of news. We got XRP, Ripple news. We got BitGo. We got Binance. There's a lot of like international turmoil within crypto, especially in Europe. Ironically, where I'll be headed in literally 48 hours. We also have Congress. We have just news. We have news, and of course, big things that if you don't know about it, you're going to be upset. So that's why I'm telling you. So if you guys are ready for the Zest, the news, the education, please smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends, so more people know what's going on here. We have a beautiful goal of 150 likes, 150 like viewers, a subscribe goal of 26,000 subscribers. Guys, we're finally moving up. We're moving up. Guys, we have what, like 87 more? 87 more beautiful subscribers until we hit 26K. I'm hoping that our European vlogs can do us some justice when we're out there. I am planning to do vlogs. I want you guys to like be with me all the time when I'm out there in the world. Also, where did my poll go? Do you guys see the poll on YouTube? Can you let me know if you guys see the poll? Because I did put up a poll for you, but I don't see it right now. Though I did also put up a goal and a poll, and I did put up a goal that if you guys wanted me to do a shopping vlog, where basically you guys are taking me shopping, it's a way to like tie it all together. You guys take me shopping, and then I'll go and do a little vlog and wear the outfit and like do dinner or whatever. I was just like planning on doing something fun. All right, so you guys see the poll? Okay. I don't see it on my end for some darn reason, but it's okay. You guys will give me the results. All right, guys, let's get after it. I want to say good morning to you as you say good morning to me. Check out our two amazing sponsors of the show, Cake Wallet and Uphold. Sorry, I'm reading the chat out of the corner of my eye. We got Jesse, Shadow, Bull, Doge Bull, David Bulls, all the bulls. We got... Sorry, I just made myself laugh. Silver Days, good morning. Who else we got? We got Lord Michael McDade. Good morning, Mello. Josh, is that you? Is that you, Josh? Because I freaking love Josh. He's a longtime supporter. I'm pretty sure that's Josh because this guy, he was like, he used to do a lot of stuff with NFTs and art and things. And he's like, this dude is like 6 foot, I don't even know, 7. He's like probably like almost 7 foot tall, this dude. And I remember I needed the lift in Miami to go to a conference we were both going to. He's like this big dude in the tiniest car. So funny. He's literally so funny. I love him so much. I've also been like, there was a time in like 2021, 2022 where like, you know, everyone like, I would just like, a tall person would see me and be like, let me put you on my shoulders. So Josh put me on his shoulders, and also one of the security guards from an event put me on his shoulders. Every time a big tall person sees me, they're like, let me just carry you around. I'm like, okay. I guess Josh. Hi, Josh. I love him. Everyone say hello to Josh. I haven't seen this man in like 4 or 5 years, but just know I still love you, bro. Ed, good morning. Peace, good morning. John White, Rob C, Mike Mazzoni, Yuki on X. We got John Legend. Ortmanent, good morning. Verhoofd Fluve, Ramondo, good morning. Chocolate. Yeah, listen, guys, I'm gonna let you guys know if I'm gonna get chocolate. Also, hello to Army Piper. I don't know if I shouted him out. Yeah, I definitely saw Army Piper in here somewhere. We love you, AP. Okay. Let's get into the show, guys. I have no makeup on today. Don't judge me. I had to take care of my face and things yesterday, so my skin can be healthy. But sometimes, in order to be healthy, you got to take a step back before a step forward. You feel? Okay. Now that we have that cleared up. I'm cleared up. Not like my skin, though. Just kidding. I made a bad joke about myself. Anyways, let's get into the market recap. Let's do this. All right, we got a mix of red and green, and BEAT has been beat down 33%. I was going to say 36 for some reason. It's 33. I know numbers. SPX is also up 14%, one of our bigger gainers, but most importantly, look at Bitcoin flopping around over here. Let's go to our more messy chart. So, Bitcoin rejecting 67K-ish yesterday. I was upset. I really wanted to see us break through 67K. But at the end of the day, I think that people need to hold support and need to emotionally get a grip on themselves. And actually, I'm going to put a video out today because I was very inspired by scripture this morning. I was reading it was Hosea chapter 4, verse 14, and it said, people without discernment are doomed. And I read that, and I was like, ooh, that is clocking. And when it says people without discernment are doomed, I really thought about a lot of people in crypto, and a lot of people with their finances. Your finances, you put your money where your heart is, because money is very personal to us, right? No one, people could give you opinions on everything, but when people start telling you what to do with your money, you kind of get all twisted on the inside, because your money, your wealth is a big part of a lot of people's identity, right? So when you go and ask yourself, where am I putting my money, right? For example, if you put your money in a charity, right, you donate to charity, you're tithing, sorry, I have hair in my face, you're tithing or whatever, you're able, you saying, oh yeah, I give money to charity, that's where your heart is, right? A specific cause, something that your heart is attracted to. The reason why a lot of people are invested in Bitcoin emotionally or even financially is because they believe in the fundamental of a technology like Bitcoin, that you're able to own something that can't be taken. You could transact with anyone, anywhere, at any point, and no one can stop you. That is why a lot of people have their heart glows with that whole premise of Bitcoin, which is why they're going and putting their money, their hard-earned money, which is their energy and their time, into that asset. So it really all fits in. And so when you have discernment, you're able to decide on timing. You're able to decide on where you want to invest and why you want to invest. And I think that is very, very important when it comes to your finances. You should have discernment. And your money is a big reflection of where your heart is. Right? So if you need to go and look at what do I need to fix in my life, you could actually really go deep into your finances and where you're spending your money. And it'll tell you a lot. And if you look back and say, you know what? I should have skipped this degenerate activity, or I should have not done this. Your finances will show it. Your finances will show it. So I just wanted to throw that out there. It was a little bit of a philosophical deep dive I did with myself this morning, and I thought I would share it with you guys, but I'll put it out in a separate video later. I don't know if you agree with that. Do you guys agree with that? One or yes emoji, two or no emoji. I would really love to know what you thought about what I just said. Also, I don't see, I think my viewers and likes are frozen. So please go ahead and smash the like and share this out. I don't know how many people are here, but please, let's get after it. Anyway, Bitcoin is at $65,275. We're down 0.52%. Again, we're looking at the 65.6 that we want to hold. Bearish is 60K. And that's where we're looking right now. It is indeed. Momentum is shooting up from the depths of the trenches, and hopefully it will go bullish. We're almost there. We're almost at that neutral point with this momentum. Money flow is ticking down a little bit. VWAP is losing steam, and the RSI is pulling back. Guys, this is exactly what we want. I hate to say it. I hate people are going to be like, Randi, you're so mean. But at the end of the day, dude, when the RSI has a major drop as it did, it had a major pump, she needs to even herself out and then have some footing to go up and to test that neutral. That is just purely my opinion. I've just seen it time and time again. Again, Major pump, major dump, comes back up, evens itself out, and then it makes a move either up or down. Like we've seen this time and time again. The RSI needs to stabilize. She does. She is a little bit buck wild right now. River Misa, top of the morning. Hello, top of the morning to you, sir. Welcome to the pod. Guys, we have a lot of news coming through, especially international news, but even the most spicy of the spicy is that Kev Warsh is coming in as the Federal Reserve Chair. He is doing his first meeting today. What is going on? Breaking news headlines start now. So guys, we do have markets looking at the Fed today. Let's take a gander. Excuse me. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So again, we do have crypto markets looking at the Fed Reserve's decision late in the day. Trad markets are looking at dips all over the place. Again, today's decision is Kevin Warsh's first as chair, with a rate hold nearly fully priced in, and focus falls on the updated projections and Warsh's tone on inflation. And people are saying that a dovish could extend crypto's recovery, and a hawkish one could deepen the pullback for crypto. I mean, listen, besties, I really still don't care about the Federal Reserve. I know this is like a super hot take, but at the end of the day, like Bitcoin will succeed with or without the Fed, and anything the Fed does is never really going to be a net positive for fiat currency. I mean, fiat currency is designed to fail. Bitcoin is designed to survive and thrive and last forever at that, because again, it has a method to its madness. There's a reason why Bitcoin are put out when they are put out, and how like the whole distribution makes a lot more sense, and it's more sustainable, and it's actually just secure versus fiat, where there's just really no method to the madness. Print whenever they want, interest rate, and everyone pays the consequences except for the people that are already rich. So let's keep calm, huddle on, and just hope that Kev is a nice guy, because at the end of the day, Kev Warsh, when he was like having this whole push for him to be Fed chair, a lot of people were supportive because he is pro Bitcoin and crypto. I really do hope he chills with the market. Like, you know, he needs to just gain the favor of the people. If he gains the favor of the people, then the economy will be better off for it, hopefully.
On today's public keys at the New.
But again, I just find it very unhinged that we're all just waiting on this man and what he has to say to determine the market. I mean, that is just wild to me. But I'm curious what he's going to say too. I'm bullish on Kevin as of right now. I am hoping that Kev remains a chill guy. Tech Omega said, where have you been? I've been here every day. Hattori said, Randy always sharing. Yes, you missed my Bible verse chat. Hello, Kevin. I'm waiting on what Randy has to say. You guys are making me laugh today. Kev, thank you for the heart. We got Kevin on TikTok. We love Kevin on TikTok. Locking in. Guys, I got a latte today. Very happy about my latte. Tech Omega said TikTok isn't pushing you because I wouldn't miss an episode. That's why you have to go to YouTube. But also TikTok has been shadow banning me because people are reporting me saying I'm posting explicit content on TikTok. That is why people haven't seen me, because I keep getting reported. Anyway, we are going to go and talk about Ripple and XRP. I know that actually Josh had a question about XRP in the chat. I'm actually going to put you on in just a second. Let's talk about XRP and Ripple news. Put XRP emojis in the chat. Become a member of the YouTube channel. Support us and get those emojis and join the after show. But it was Hosea chapter 4, verse 14. People without discernment will be doomed. Anyway, Ripple is investing in another company because they want to push RLUSD, which is their stable coin. They really have been pushing since its launch to bring liquidity to that area, which again, they have to do. It's business. And XRP Ledger, they're trying to push that too. They are looking at Africa right now. And I think this is a great market for them to tap into. Africa, what is the headline with Africa? What is it? Like the fastest growing economy in the world, I believe right now is Africa. If someone wants to go double check me on that, I believe that Africa is the fastest growing economy. But take a gander here. Ripple, is investing in an African payments company called Flutterwave as part of its Series E funding round, which is a deal centered on expanding the use of stablecoins for cross-border payments. Flutterwave said Tuesday that the funding round values the company at $3.2 billion, and financial terms of Ripple's stake were not disclosed. The deal would integrate Ripple's RLUSD, their stablecoin, into the Flutterwave payment infrastructure, allowing businesses to settle some international transactions using digital dollars rather than relying solely on trad banking networks. Now, this is going to connect to Ripple Payments, which is Ripple's global payments network, and use XRPL to process the transactions, which ultimately makes the most sense. And Reese, which we've met Reese when I was in Dubai. He handles the Middle East and Africa portion of Ripple. I actually really like Reese. Great guy, great London accent. Definitely had a troll with him over that. I actually really like Reese as a person. Reese said Flutterwave has built one of the most advanced payment networks in Africa, and as its infrastructure evolves, stablecoins are becoming central to that story. He says our investment would establish RLUSD within the infrastructure, with Flutterwave driving stablecoin flows over the XRPL and deepening its role as a settlement layer for real-world payments across the continent. Pop off, little Reese. Pop off, Reese. I love him. But he is saying, again, that RLUSD, that is the goal to bring liquidity. And you do notice that Ripple, as a company, is very interested in institutions. Now, what Ripple is doing with institutions is cool. But when it comes to CBDC, it's not cool. However, this is another major institutional play for them and for businesses. Now, XRP, sorry guys. So XRP right now is at $1.20. We are down 1.2%. We are looking at $1.18, $1.16 as our bearish scenario. Bullish is $1.45. And then you have the 200-day SMA that is above us at $1.56, which is the biggest heavyweight here. Because if you are able to surpass the 200-day SMA and look at $1.85, that is your bullish scenario. 1 second, guys. Hold on.
Randi Hipper. I'm a Bitcoin bestie.
Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than
Darn, sorry guys, I was muted. Sorry guys, I forgot I muted my mic. So to address Josh, where you're talking about XRP, I don't think the Clarity Act is really going to necessarily help or damage XRP, especially because XRP is very close to the banks. I just don't see the Clarity Act really helping anybody, except for the devs, maybe to get some clarity on them. But even then, it's just not as good as we would want it to be. And especially because I've been saying it since the get. With the Clarity Act, it's smoke and mirrors because it's the banks writing this bill. It's not the crypto industry solely, and it's been corrupted. But if you like XRP, Uphold is the place for you because go to uphold.com/Randi because you can go get your paycheck and do auto invest with Uphold. So you could get 3% XRP back if you put your paycheck on there. Also, the XRP debit card, you could earn up to 3 or 4% XRP back on your purchases with no foreign fees. And then they have the Access Signature credit card too. So you could basically borrow against what you already have. But yeah, I think, yeah, there's some protections with devs on the Clarity Act. That's probably the only good thing about it. I'll come back to the US in just a moment too, because I do have something with Congress that is low-key making me flip out, but I was like, I have to like make sure I get mad at the end, because if I get mad at the beginning, the whole show's a wrap. But we do have Binance. Europe is just so wild. Like, I can't wait to visit Europe, but I don't know if I would be able to live there, because holy wow, I would probably lose my freaking mind with the government over there. Like, I lose my mind with ours. Like, imagine that. Like, oh my freaking word. But Binance, let me reel myself in here. Binance is kind of like getting attacked, as always, by Greece, because in the EU, they have the MiCA regulation, which again is making it hard for anyone to operate there. It's like the New York bit license in a way. So Binance has all their stuff put out there. They're like, we're Binance. And then Greece is like, LOL, no, we don't like you. Essentially is what they did. And said that they weren't compliant. But Binance came back and said, we are compliant. So this is the tea with Binance right now in Greece. Oh my God, I thought I ended the stream by accident. I almost like lost my mind. Anyway, Binance may be unable to serve customers in Europe if its regulatory license application in Greece is turned down. Binance's MiCA license application, which already has set to be approved by a deadline at the end of the month, is going to be rejected by the Greek financial watchdog Hellenic Capital Market Commission, the HCMC. And Binance said it's been pursuing a MiCA license for the past 18 months, including a comprehensive application process with the HCMC. And a Binance spokesperson said, our understanding is that the HCMC completed its review and considered it compliant, and that the application was also reviewed at a SMA level. So basically, this is just this is tea, but essentially, Binance said they're fine. So I'm going to take Binance's word for it. They are very like, they're very tip top. They're very like, they're on top of things at Binance. So it would be very surprising to see if they would get rejected after they've been told they're not, or this is just more fun to scare people from Binance. Now, we also have more people that are getting involved in the EU. BitGo is another huge exchange. They're also going to get involved with Europe. And so we do have BitGo. They're offering firms an easier transition to MiCA compliance. And so BitGo Europe, which is authorized by BaFin. I love to say BaFin. Which is the German regulator. It says its crypto as a service platform provides crypto players across Europe an alternative way to navigate MiCA rather than the burden of building a standalone regulated crypto operating stack from the ground up. And so BitGo is saying that if a firm is running wallets or doesn't have a MiCA license, they can sign up with BitGo and easily integrate their wallets into BitGo wallets. So BitGo is like, hey, we got approved. We're dope. So come use our business to help your business, which ultimately makes BitGo freaking rich. So good business. I gotta say, they are using it to their advantage. They're like they're like the plug. They're the MiCA plug over in the EU. I just thought that was interesting to share. Also, I love when we talk about tokenized stocks. Tokenized stocks are the future. And I am just so excited from when people lock into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin crypto is so massively undervalued. And that's why I keep the ticker on this show, because when you come back in a few years and you look at the price, you're going to be like, LOL, what were we even talking about? And so crypto is actively absorbing the world's wealth. We are tokenizing the entire world. And so that is why crypto is undervalued. Coinbase is joining the tokenized stock race with on-chain shares and dividend payments. I thought you guys would really love this if you are a Coinbase user. Also, please smash the like, subscribe, and share. What chain is tokenizing the most stocks? I would probably say Ethereum. But Coinbase said it plans to introduce tokenized stocks backed one-for-one by underlying U.S. equities, joining the growing competition amongst crypto firms and TradFi companies to bring stocks on chain. Oh, yeah. In a post on Tuesday, the exchange said the first real one-to-one backed tokenized stocks are coming, allowing users to own, trade, hold, and redeem the securities on-chain while automatically receiving dividends. Now, this announcement comes ahead of a product event scheduled for 3 p.m., which was yesterday. And so basically, CEO Brian Armstrong, he says we are popping off and we are going to have tokenized stocks because Coinbase is freaking Coinbasing. And this is basically it. Coinbase is based. Coinbase is based. Do you like Coinbase? Put a 1 or yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. HVAC said any news for the FOMC? I did already discuss that if you want to do a re of the wind. But stay tuned to the end of the show and then you can rewind to the beginning to catch the FOMC news. But today is Kev Warsh's first meeting, so we'll see how zesty he is. Okay, let's keep getting after it. Again, please smash the like, subscribe, and share. Let's do more news. BlackRock, which a lot of people are chatting about this morning. Thank you, Chill, for all the gifts. Thank you, Kev, for all the gifts. You guys are very beautiful. I see you guys. Thank you. So BlackRock has their new Bitcoin income ETF. People want to know what's going on with that. Let's break it down for you. Opening for trade on Tuesday, BlackRock's newest Bitcoin ETF, the Bitcoin Premium Income Fund BITA. I'm going to call it BITA. This BITA. I don't know why that's so funny. This. Anyways, this Bitcoin Premium Income Fund is less about market timing and more about meeting a growing range of investor needs as the asset class matures, according to Jay Jacobs, the firm's U.S. head. Oh wow, I can't even speak. I keep laughing. The firm's U.S. head of equity ETFs.
You're welcome.
David, thank you.
Thank you.
Hope you reach your goal. Here's a start.
Thank you, David. Thank you, David. I would love to see that goal fulfilled. We got 20 minutes left on there. Thank you, David. But yeah, so basically he says this is something we've had an idea for as a while. He said, irrespective of market conditions, you've seen that there are investors across the spectrum looking to generate some amount of income off of still having mostly large, mostly long positions on Bitcoin. So basically this new fund comes as Bitcoin struggles to break out, but Jacob sees BlackRock wow, I can't even speak. Jacobs said BlackRock sees several potential audiences for the new fund. He said that basically it would be income-focused investors looking to diversify, yada, yada, yada. All I hear is BlackRock, 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 Bitcoin, 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 BlackRock, Bitcoin, BlackRock.
Thank you. You're welcome.
And they just want it all. So.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're
Okay,
welcome.
let's all do it.
Let's go! Wait. Here we go. We love when buttons work. We love when the buttons work. All right. People's DCA said, I'm going to say Stellar. Really? You think Stellar has the most tokenization? You know what? We can ask AI. Let's go to Grok. I would think it's ETH. I don't know. Hold on. Which blockchain has the most tokenized assets on it? Whether that is stocks, equities, or money market funds, whatever it may be. Like, which blockchain has the most of like these financial assets coming on there? Is it Ethereum, Stellar, Solana? What is it?
Ethereum by a wide margin. According to the latest data from rwa.xyz, as of today, Ethereum hosts about $16.4 billion in tokenized real-world assets. That's over 50% of the total market. For comparison, BNB Chain is next at $3.9 billion, Solana at $3 billion, Stellar at $2.8 billion. Ethereum also has the most individual tokenized assets by count, over 700. Many big money market funds and treasuries like BlackRock's BUIDL started there and spread to other chains, but Ethereum still holds the lion's share of the value, especially for institutional-grade stuff like stocks, equities, and funds. Solana and Stellar are growing fast in specific areas, but Ethereum's the clear leader right now.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're
For the cute outfit fund, dress emoji,
Oh, thank you,
jeans
Ian.
emoji.
Chill Whale, oh my god, you guys are giving us so much gifts. Actually, if you look, Chill Whale, we have a goal up on YouTube because the goal is, if we fulfill it, that I would do a vlog in Europe where I literally go shopping for the day and wear that outfit in the vlog, and then we go get dinner or something. So that is the plan. So thank you for helping me reach my goals, guys. But yeah, so that, I guess that was your answer, by the way. Thank you, Grocky Poo. But ETH has got us all beat right now. $16.4 billion. $16.4 billion. $16.4 billion. That is so freaking ridiculous. Like, and people say, like, crypto, there's no money in crypto. Like, shut up, dude. Like, that's crazy. Sorry, I got violent. But still. And BNB is, like, a really big shock to me. $3.9 billion on BNB is actually, I'm shook. Chill Whale said, I'm up from SpaceX. You're just celebrating. That's why you're giving me gifts on TikTok as a SpaceX. Thank you, Elon.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're
Okay,
welcome.
we'll make it happen.
Let's go, Jesse. But there you go. I just wanted to get the AI accuracy on there. Anyways, Congress, guys, I just had to, what time is it? Because I really got to run. Oh, darn. Okay. I got to get this in. So basically, Congress with the audacity, like, you know what? It just freaking gets me upset. Like, it really does. That Congress is like, oh, you know what? Central bank digital currencies could be the end of like rights as we know it in America. So let's just ban it until 2030.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're
I
welcome.
think we're almost there.
Let's go. So why, I just want to know why in the name of America do these people in Congress and our president, why do they not find it fit to not just ban it until 2030, until another regime comes in, because God knows what's going to happen with this next election, but
Thank you. You're
what
welcome.
really
Thank
freaking...
you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
I'm with you, Jesse. Let's make it happen.
Oh gosh, guys, thank you. But what really annoys me is that why doesn't Congress or the president say, no, this shouldn't just be banned until 2030. This should be banned, period, and it should never exist. A central bank digital currency is awful. Wholesale, retail, whatever, tail on a freaking dog or on a donkey, I do not care. It should not be anywhere in America. Period. End of story.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Let's freaking go. No CBDCs.
Let's freaking go.
Yeah, no CBDCs. That's what I think. No CBDCs. But Congress thinks we got a dub here by banning it until 2030. That is freaking blasphemous. Let me just tell you, it's blasphemous. Oh, it's getting me angry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm getting freaking angry right now. The U.S. House and Senate have reached a deal to move forward with a housing bill that includes a ban on the Federal Reserve creating a CBDC until 2030. Like, 2030 will be here like tomorrow. You're telling me like this is sufficient? Absolutely freaking not. Oh my God, it's making me lose it a little bit, guys. It's making me lose it. Serotonin is trying to give me serotonin, but I freaking can't. A bipartisan group of House and Senate leaders released an updated version of the 21st Century Road to Housing Act on Tuesday, which aims to address housing affordability and bans institutional investors from buying existing single-family homes to rent out.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're
No
welcome.
CBDCs.
No CBDCs. What are we doing here? Thank you, John Legend, for being a member for 32 months. I appreciate that. What, like, the audacity of these people. It says the bill has included a CBDC ban since the Senate passed it in March. There's also strong support, but the House and Senate disagreed on some aspects. You know what they disagreed on is because all of the Dems were voting against banning CBDCs, because initially Tom Emmer, we love Sir Whip Tom Emmer, he was like, hey, yo, let's put together the CBDC Anti-Surveillance State Act, and that banned CBDCs permanently. Why was that not passed as its own standalone bill and going into law? Like, it should be a law.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're
Okay,
welcome.
who's gonna finish it?
Thank you, sir. So this is really like grinding my freaking gears. And I think that this needs to be spoken about. Like, why on earth is this not spoken about more often? Ban CBDCs forever.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Shopping, fire emoji.
Thank you guys. Oh darn. Oh darn. David's telling me to stay calm. Serotonin's sending me hearts. David's telling me to stay calm.
Stay calm, Randy, you're okay.
Thank you guys. You know what? Where's AOC when you need her?
Oh, girl, baby girl, don't even play.
Oh girl, baby girl, don't even play.
Oh, girl, baby girl, don't even play.
Okay. One more time.
Oh, girl, baby girl, don't even play.
Thank you, AOC. Thank you. Thank you, AOC. Even though AOC would probably be in favor of CBDCs, then they are. Love the passion. Oh boy, this isn't a lot. Oh my God, that's so cute. Serotonin just sent me like this sticker that puts a monkey on this shoulder and another monkey on this shoulder and they hug. OG said she ignored me. I didn't see her comment. I can't see a lot of comments on TikTok because it's like teeny tiny. You have to go to YouTube, bestie. And speaking of YouTube, and goals being reached, yippee. Thank you guys. Woo! Guys, we are trying to hit 26,000 YouTube subscribers. You guys who are on TikTok, be my best friend and go over to YouTube. We have 25,913 subs. We want 26K. We are literally only 87 away. And your girl wants to have her heart warm and fluttery and full of YouTube subscribers, because the more subscribers we have, the more lives we can change and the more we can spread Bitcoin and crypto adoption throughout the entire world and take over. Moo ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha, take over the world and spread love and positivity. How dare we? How dare we have a goal to spread love throughout the world? This is crazy. It's madness. As Ye says, the truth is crazy in a world full of lies. So we might just be the Looney Tunes out here, just spreading love and honesty. We just might be so out of our mind. We're bonkers. We're bonkers. Am I bonkers? Serotonin is sending me so many things. Thank you, Serotonin. Am I bonkers? Have I fully lost it? Have I fully lost it? Am I gone? Am I freaking gone? I might be gone. I might be gone. Anyway, I'm so excited, guys, because where am I going? On Friday, I'm leaving. But I do have something for you. I want to put this up real quick. I have something for you. Hold on. Stick around. Stick around. View Chan. Okay, there we go, guys. We are on the channel. And if you guys look, oh, look, there's something up for you. So on Friday, I have a video already like set up to premiere. So it'll have a live chat so everyone can hang out and chat. I'll probably be in the chat depending on if I'm getting to the airport at this time, or if hopefully I'll already be in an airport by then. But 9:45 a.m. again, usually when we go live, we will still be live, but a pre-recorded me. And I think you guys will really like this, especially when it comes to Uphold. I think you guys would like actually get so many questions answered from this. And it would be really helpful for you. So yeah, go ahead. This was a really spicy interview as well. Like one of the best I've done, to be honest. And so yeah, this will go live 9:45 a.m. on Friday. So no regular Zest. It's just going to be an interview. So, you guys are funny. Ray K, no, I have to check my email. Guys, I thought I checked my email yesterday. Maybe I missed something. But yeah, guys, my life is crazy right now. So I have to finish packing, and then we have to go into this after show right now. I'm gonna finish packing, and I have a call I have to get on, like 2 calls right away. So keep calm, hog along, guys. Thank you so much. Hold on, I'm checking my email. Where is Ray K in my email? Which email is this? Guys, I have like 5 emails. Hold on. Oh, Ray K. Thank you, Ray K. Oh, darn. Ray K sent me a gift. Thank you, Ray K. But guys, 26K, we're like 87 subscribers away on YouTube, so please subscribe on YouTube. On TikTok, though, spicy. TikTok, we're like 400 followers away on TikTok from hitting 20K. So if you guys want to follow us on TikTok, we're at missteencrypto on every single platform, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. X, everything, every single platform. I'm here. I'm there. I'm everywhere. And oh my God, speaking of that, I have to show you guys something before I leave. Hold on. Don't leave. Wait. Randi Hipper.
Cash is Cuvée.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie.
So I wanted to show you this because earlier today I went to one of my new favorite cafes, and they're so good. I love this place. And so I pulled up this morning. I've been going there like the past few weeks, like once a week. I really like to support like small businesses. That's why I really don't do like the mainstream, like, you know, fast food coffee places, is because I really like to support my homies, you know? So I went to the cafe today. As of the last time I went, I'm now on a first name basis with the owner. And so today he finally asked me, he's like, Randi, like, what do you do for a living? And so I explained what I did for a living, and he just looks at me and he's like, okay. And then he like wrote down like my channel name and everything. And so I'm like waiting for my coffee. He brings it out and I see this in his hands. I'm thinking it's for someone else. He hands them both to me and he's like, this is for your podcast this morning. I was like, what is it? And then he's like, just enjoy. I was like, okay. I almost cried. I didn't even know what it was. I'm almost crying now. I was so happy. And so I thought it was just a little waffle. I thought it was just a regular waffle. Plot freaking twist. I come home, I take a bite. Guys, it's actually a croffle. What, I don't even know how to say it. A croissant waffle. And it's like glazed. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's like glazed a little bit. It's like a little sugary. And I took a bite. And I literally fell apart. So like this guy handed me a croffle this morning and my whole world just melted and I was just so happy and I almost cried. Shout out to Camille. Camille is, he's the G. So shout out to Camille. But yeah, no, I just absolutely, did my stream just end? Uh-oh. I don't know if it's restarted or not. Am I here on YouTube? I don't know. My whole thing just restarted on my browser. But guys, I got a croffle. I loved it so much. So thank you, Camille. Shout out to Camille. Hopefully he's watching. I don't know. But I loved my croffle. So I was really happy about this. And I'm gonna finish eating it, but I wanted to save it for you. But anyways. Thank you guys so much. I see we're still here. Thank you guys so much. I really got to run now. I am overtime. Please go into the members only after show if you have not yet. Please smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. Become a member of the channel. You get your fun emojis and then you join these after shows with us. Tomorrow is our last Zest. Before I leave for Europe, we are going to Litecoin Summit, guys. Litecoin.com/summit. Mods, please throw the link in the live chat, pretty freaking please. Litecoin.com/summit, guys. Literally $84 a ticket. It's going to be such a great time. I am hosting a panel on the 22nd at 2 p.m. Amsterdam time. There will be a live stream going on as well for you guys to watch from home. So don't feel like you're completely missing out. And I'm going to try to jump in the stream like here and there. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you in Discord. Bless all of your hearts. Guys, have discernment. People without discernment are doomed. I'm going to be putting up a video about that later. Thank you guys so much. Smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. Have a beautiful day. Happy Wednesday. Go to the Discord, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Mwah. Peace.